Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And boy, do we have a video today, guys. Tesla. That's what we're going to be talking about. Is this stock worth its current price? And guys, this thing is squeezing. This thing is moving and grooving. It's up 13%. So we're going to be kind of talking about what's going on. Should you buy, sell, or hold? And just kind of giving you guys my honest opinion about this company. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my school. If you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check it out. Code half off, 50% off. Only valid for this week. So check it out. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at Tesla chart here, what do you guys notice, right? You guys can see that this past year has not been the greatest for Tesla. It's gone from $414 at its high all the way to its current price, before the market closed at $144. Now, this sell-off here honestly wasn't a huge surprise. Some of the reasons why we're just getting general sell-off is missed deliveries, missed earnings, missed revenue, and a variety of other things like cutting the price of the vehicles, which comes at the cost of profit margin, which anytime you have all that stuff in a year, investors get nervous, they get panicked. So what do? They sell. When investors get scared, they sell. Now, historically, you always hear that thing, buy low, sell high. So honestly, what I've been doing personally is I understand anytime this thing falls below the 160s, I'm buying as much as I can. And that's kind of what I've been doing historically. And it's been working pretty well for me. But does that mean this stock right now is currently undervalued? So looking at it here, I think that determining if the stock's undervalued, it's kind of hard to do. And I want to show you guys some stuff before I make that. So stay tuned for that. So what's going on? Why am I talking about Tesla? Why? Well, as of right now, after hours, this thing has gone from 144 to 164 after hours, which is a crazy move. That's 13%. In a couple of hours. So the reason why we're getting so much buying pressure here is because they released an earnings report. So for those of you that don't know what an earnings report is, this is when the company comes out and they say, hey, we lost money, we made money. But beforehand, Wall Street will say, hey, I predict Tesla is going to make X amount of money. If they beat expectations, the stock normally goes up. If they miss expectations, the stock normally goes down. So the thing that is throwing me off right now with Tesla is they missed their earnings. But what they did do is they aim to launch new models. So let's jump into this here. So looking at the revenue decreased 9% year over year to $21.3 billion. Analysts were predicting for 22.26 billion. Also, their EPS or earnings per share slumped to about 45 cents. And the thing is a year earlier, it was 85 cents. But Wall Street said, hey, all right, we think it could be around 50 cents. But no, they missed their earnings per share. They missed their revenue. But what they did pretty much say is, the company said in a shareholder report that sales were weighed down by reduced average prices, lower deliveries, foreign exchange headwinds. So they also said this month the EV maker posted first quarter vehicle deliveries that fell 9% year over year and missed analyst expectations at that time. So yes, that's why we're getting sell-off. The thing about Tesla, though, is they said, hey, we predict we're going to launch some new models. So I do think that is a very, very bullish thing for Tesla to say. But I also understand how Tesla is. This could take a while. Beforehand. This could take, just like how they said the Cybertruck was going to come out, 30 years ago, and it just came out this year. It takes time, and you need to understand that. So I do think here, let's continue to look at this. So Tesla said it plans to speed up its launch of new vehicles, some of which will be more affordable models. So that's very, very enticing because we all know everything is getting expensive. So if they have some cheaper, more affordable models, this could just cause more people to buy into Tesla, which is great. We have updated our future vehicle lineup to accelerate the launch of the new models ahead of previously communicated start of production in the second half of 2025. So that's what they're saying. So predict second half of 2026, just because we all know how Tesla is. Operating margin shrank by about 592 points year over year to 5.5%. Yeah, I do think one of the things here that is cool is the Cybertruck. I do think it's a cool car, but let's continue to go through this here. So the associated cost of AI alternative and cell advancements, as well as Cybertruck production ramp, so that's going to get expensive. We experienced numerous challenges in the first quarter from the Red Sea conflict, the arson attack in Berlin, to the ramp of the Model 3 in Fremont. Yeah, so they're having issues, which do I think this is where I want to talk about. Do we think Tesla is undervalued? And the thing is, for me, I do think, looking back in 5 to 10 years, I think Tesla's still going to be around. I do think they're going to be a very, very massive company, just like kind of how they are today. And I do think historically, at its current price, under 160, in my opinion, represents a great opportunity to buy Tesla. The average analyst on Wall Street gives Tesla a price target of $189 a share. So I understand that we could go through more volatility and it could take a while, but for me, guys, I'm buying under 160. That's my plan. That's my strategy behind it. And yeah, I could be wrong. I could be, but I just know it's worked very, very well for me. I've been buying Tesla since I was 18 years old. So I'm a huge bull on this stock, and I understand the volatility it has. I've seen my account swing a lot from this stock, but I don't know. I do think, though, EV in general has seen a decline, which kind of was expected, just because sectors go up and they go down, and then those leaders of the sector continue to grow that sector. We see it all the time. Look at the dot-com bubble. You had all these companies. Every company was associated with tech and online stuff, and then the market crushed it. And then you had a handful of these companies, Amazon, Google, start leading the way, growing that sector by itself. And I do think that's what I see with Tesla, but who knows? So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Let me know in the comments if you're buying Tesla, because I want to know. I want to know if I'm not alone. That's what I think, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing, check out my school, and we'll see you guys in there, and take care, guys.